Welcome to Let's Pour with Patty. Thank you so much for joining me on this wild and wacky ride as I learn the joys and share with you the wonders of creating with fluid art. Stick around, let's have some fun, and as always, keep creating. Let's pour. So to continue with the theme of reusing old canvases, ones that didn't quite turn out right, maybe giving it another try, that's what we're doing today. So this was a wave, a Molly artistry wave, that at one point was perfect. And then I kept fiddling with it, and I messed it all up. So we're just gonna redo it. I'll put some music on, sit back, relax.
I don't wanna wake up with regret inside my lungs. I don't wanna wake up with sadness on my tongue. Only got one life to live. I can't let this slip. I don't wanna wake up and miss when we were young.
Work those in. Hopefully we can soften them up a bit. But let's start layering now. So we're going to come up and around. This is going to be the sky.
Sadness on my tongue. Only got one life to live. I can't let this slip. I don't wanna wake up and miss when we were young. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
fell to the ground. You could sense that it wasn't far, but you barely could try. Looked in vain for a guiding star, walked in darkness instead, walked in darkness instead.
Okay, we're calling it. I'll take you in for a flyover. I think it's beautiful. I can live with that. I don't think there's much wrong with it. Like I said, I don't want to overwork it. These are really beautiful. Colors are gorgeous. I love it. The purple, the color shifting folk art showing itself in some places. All right, let's see how it dries. Wish me luck, because that's still a lot of paint on there in some spots. I love it. It turned out okay. Not my, I definitely need to work on my wave crest. But for my my second real try, it's not bad. Not bad at all. These blues are beautiful. I wish I had done a little better here, but I love, that's really cool though. So, I fiddled with it a little bit more. So these things, sometimes you just can't stop fiddling, but it's not bad. I like it. I will make this a keeper. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, keep creating. Let's get you in and see some of these colors. Wow. It's like an angry ocean. And that, I love that spot right there. Ooh, I don't know why there's purple in my water. Just because the little color shifting of that folk art blue flash. It's not all blue, boy. It's got some purple in it that is pop in. My clouds. It didn't crack at all. With all that paint. I'm pleased. All right. Up next is Sheldon Briscoe of Shell Rock Art. Before me was Taslima Maya of Taslima Maya Art. If you missed her video, make sure you go down in my description where her link is and go watch her video. See you next time.